Okay, Sounds of Decay 3.
This is Coldcell, Age of Unreason. Switzerland, the home of precision watches, chocolatiers, and very discreet banking. Luckily for us, it is also the home to the long-standing five-piece black metal outfit, Coldcell, a band with a rich history of music straight out of the dark abyss. Age of Unreason is their fifth full length since forming back in 2012. There's an air of mystery to Coldcell, as each member goes by a short abbreviation as opposed to their real name. The band lists in on bass and vocals and DML on guitars and AW on drums. Very curious indeed. What impressed me about Age of Unreason is the huge drum sound dialed up by AW and Svengali producer V. Santora, who has twiddled the knobs for everyone from Dark Fortress to Calm. It is very orthodox black metal style, but the reverb-soaked drums pounding out tribal transgression is highly reminiscent of something like Ruins of Bavarest and adds spice to even the slower processional tempos.
Case in point, Dead to the World, second track on the disc, really settles into the battering tempo I'm talking about. In's throaty rasp recalling Jens Ryden from Thirfing at times, preaching, "Yet we are still dead to the world," as AW slams into speeding violence, battering double bass and snare abuse that shifts to a tribal groove enhanced marvelously by some dissonant guitar squiggles at precisely the right moments. But just when you think you've got these Matterhorns all figured out, the band switches gears for Meaningless, a track that features the lovely vocals of Inns Brodbeck, which combined with clean guitars may have you wondering if this is actually the same band. But around the 4-minute mark, the combination of her soaring layered voice and AW's pounding blast beats make it apparent that this track is a bold and satisfying left turn for Coldcell. Very impressive stuff, highly recommended for fans of epic black metal fondue like some of the ones we mentioned. Most of these tracks dwell around the 6 to 7 minute mark and unfold their dark charms and high drama convincingly. The album drops officially on July 26th, but there are already a few tasty morsels up on Spotify, so check them out. This is Dead to the World.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.